Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Safety for All. After a long time, I am here again to share my knowledge of safety with you. So today we discuss about a very important and very useful term, excavation. If you are a student or you just joined a project basic company, so you have to a deep knowledge about excavation and its hazards and precaution. So let's start. As I am saying, today's topic is excavation. The definition of excavation, the hazards of excavation, the precautions of excavation, types of permits, and the types of verification and types of PPAs. As a safety engineer, we have to know the definition of excavation. The definition of excavation here: making a hole or tunnel by digging the earth or ground by man or machine is called excavation. In this definition, the main point is making a hole by digging the earth by man or machine is called excavation. So here the definition is, I hope you guys understand the definition of excavation. After knowing the definition of excavation, the second topic is hazards of excavation. Guys, listen carefully. If we start a work or an operation, then at first we should know about the hazards of the work and the operation. Because if you know about the hazards, then you can take a action against the hazards, and the action is called precaution. So the hazards of excavation here. Number 1, damage to underground facilities. Underground facilities means there are many things may have underground, such as many pipelines, cables, electric wires, any old construction, poisonous gas, etc. If those things damaged by the JCB, forklift or the machinery which is digging the ground, then this will be very dangerous to all men or worker or the properties of company. So it is very dangerous or very hazardous in excavation. Number 2, personal vehicle equipment and materials falling inside excavation. Number 3, cave-in soil collapse due to loose soil and heavy equipment movement. Number 4, presence of toxic and flammable gases. Number 5, expose of existing building foundation. Number 6, workers fall in excavation. So there are the types of hazards in excavation. I hope guys you understand well. To make you feel better, there are some pictures of hazards of excavation. There are some pictures of hazards of excavation. So watch those pictures carefully. Guys, the first and the second pictures shows the collapse of soil. The third picture shows the vehicle near the edge of excavation. It is very dangerous. Number 4 shows that there are no barricade. There are no barricades. Fifth and sixth picture shows an accident due to make a safe distance between vehicle and excavation edge. Seventh one is the pipeline is damaged by the vehicle during excavation. So guys, I hope now you understand well the hazards of excavation. In this excavation, we need to take precaution before excavation and after excavation also. So precaution before excavation. Number 1, detection of underground facilities using metal and cable detector. Number 2, make safe working method, safe plan of action against excavation. Number 3, make sure that work permit is available in work site. Number 4, in mechanical excavation, check the vehicles and license of those vehicles. Guys, safe working method means step-by-step analysis of a job to determine the safe working procedure. Mind it. Next, the precaution after excavation. Number 1, apply soil protection method like stepping, sloping, shoring and close seating. Number 2, ladder should be positioned at least 1 meter above. Number 3, adequate barricade and excavation signboard. Number 4, gas test before starting work inside excavation. Number 5, if excavation deeper than 1 meter, then we should apply hard barricade. Number 6, excavated soil, materials, equipment shall maintain distance of 0.5 meter away from the edge of excavation. Number 7, if excavation deeper than 4 feet, then it's called confined space. Number 8, suitable PPEs should be applied for all workers, even supervisor or engineers also. Number 9, adequate spacing between workers. There are the precautions after excavation. So guys, for your better experience, there are some pictures of precaution of excavation. The first and the second picture shows that the safe distance between the vehicle and excavation edge. The third picture shows the safe position of excavated soil. The last third picture are very important for soil protection. The shoring, stepping and well barricading and sloping are very important to soil protection. Next, types of permits. Guys, at first we have to know what is work permit. Work permit is a written document issued by authorized person permitting a specific task for a specified time frame on a defined area. There are 3 types of work permit system. 1 is hot work permit, 2 cold work permit, 3 high risk. Here, for excavation, a excavation permit with hot work need. When the excavation deeper than 4 feet, then it is called confined space. When a confined space permission should be required with hot work. The next one is types of PPEs. Guys, PPEs means the personal protective equipment. It is an equipment used to protect the person from hazards such as dust, dirt, fume, and sparks, etc. The personal protective equipment is a barrier between hazards and a worker. So for excavation, we should be use proper PPEs such as safety shoe, gumboots, hand gloves, helmet, goggles, and apron. So there are 5 most common PPEs. should be required in excavation. That's all for today. See you in next video. Stay safe, stay blessed. So guys, if you learned something from this video, please like this. For any doubt or any question, comment below. I will answer you in next video. Subscribe my channel and share this video to all safety friends circle. Thank you.